Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install Pydantic in Python on Windows 11. Pydantic is widely used for data validation, especially with fast API. So let's get started. First, let's make sure that Python and pip are installed correctly on your system. To do that, you are going to click on the Windows icon, then type CMD in the search bar. Once command prompt appears, click on it. When the command prompt opens, type Python space hyphen hyphen version. Hit enter and then type pip space hyphen hyphen version. Hit enter. Don't worry if you don't see Python or pip here. I have already made videos on installing Python 3.14 and pip on Windows 11. Check the links in the description box and come back to this video once that's done. But if the versions appear like they do here, you are good to go. Let's now create a Python project folder to keep things clean. I am going to create that folder in my desktop, but you can choose to create it wherever you want. So using the mkdir command, we are going to create a folder called Pydantic_project. You can see Pydantic_project has been created on my desktop. Now we are going to go inside this folder using the cd command. Now let's create a virtual environment for Pydantic. The command to create a virtual environment is python-m vnv and the name of the virtual environment, let's call it Pydantic_vnv. Hit enter. Now, if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. A virtual environment is very necessary at this point in time because it is going to keep Pydantic and your project dependencies isolated. Awesome. No error. So, a virtual environment Pydantic_vnv has been created. You can see it over here. Now, let's activate it. How do we do that? We type Pydantic_vnv, that's our virtual environment, / script starts with capital S, / activate. Hit enter. And you can see the virtual environment Pydantic_vnv has become active. Let's now install Pydantic. The command is very simple. It will be pip install Pydantic. Hit enter. This is going to install the latest stable version of Pydantic compatible with your Python version. You can see the installation has begun. Awesome. It has ended. And it says successfully installed Pydantic 2.12.5 along with some other libraries. So friends, let's now test its installation. We are going to start a Python prompt by simply typing Python and hitting enter. Here we are going to import Pydantic. If this import is successful, that means Pydantic is successfully installed. That's evidence number 1. Great. Now let's print its version. So within the brackets of print, we are going to write Pydantic._version_, close the brackets, hit enter. The version number printed here is 2.12.5 and this matches with the version number of Pydantic that we just installed. Now we are going to exit this Python prompt and then finally we are going to deactivate our virtual environment because that's a very good practice. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Pydantic in Python on Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.